How to use Generali Life Insurance Luxembourg properly. Beginner mistakes that cost you. Generali Life Insurance Luxembourg is designed to safeguard your family financially, but many policyholders make mistakes that limit its effectiveness. Most people get this wrong, but here's why. Choosing the wrong type of policy is a frequent error. Generali offers term insurance for temporary protection and whole-of-life insurance for lifelong coverage and cash value accumulation. Picking the wrong option can either leave gaps in protection or result in higher than necessary premiums. Underestimating coverage needs is another common mistake. Life insurance should cover your mortgage debts, daily expenses, and future financial goals such as children's education or retirement support. Without sufficient coverage, your family may struggle if the unexpected happens. Neglecting to update beneficiaries is also a common pitfall. Changes in your life, such as marriage, divorce, or the arrival of children, require revisiting your policy. Failing to do so can delay claim payouts or lead to disputes. Optional riders are often overlooked. Generali provides add-ons like critical illness cover, disability protection, or accident benefits. These can provide essential financial support if you face unforeseen circumstances. Finally, misunderstanding permanent policy features such as cash value growth and loan access can reduce your policy's usefulness. Reviewing your policy regularly ensures you understand premiums, growth potential, and any tax implications. To maximize Generali Life Insurance Luxembourg, select the right policy type, maintain adequate coverage, update beneficiaries, consider optional riders, and review your policy consistently. Doing this guarantees your insurance protects your family exactly when they need it most.